Hello students. So right now we are in the position how to write the code to find the quantile, standard deviation and variance for the list of values. So first import pandas as pd. So it is the list of values, marks, many values are there. As I have discussed about the quantile, how to find mathematically. So the first you need to sort the element in ascending order. So first I am sorting the element. So marks dot sort is the function to sort the element in ascending order by default. After sorting the element, I am just printing the values. So create a series from the list value marks underscore series, that is a new variable that will contain the sorted list. So pd dot series you know that is the function, and marks means this marks. Then print marks underscore series. So it will print the series value in ascending order, and after that just print statements to print for user, then printing the value for q2, q1, q3 or 100th quantile of the series. So in Python there is a function quantile, and it is very simple. The first task is to write the name of the variable in which all the items are there, I mean the values are there. Then put a dot, then quantile, that is the function. Then if you are looking for q2, then 0.50. If it is q1, then 0.25. If it is q3, then 75. And if it is 100, then 0.1. And it will give you the value for q2, q1 and q3, then the last one also. The next is variance. I already discussed about the variance. So there is a function, very simple. Again write the object name, then dot, then var, then close the function. For standard deviation, again there is a function std, then close. So this program will give you the value for quantile 1, 2, 300, then variance, then standard deviation. So let me run the code. Okay, so it took time. Let me explain. Yes, first creating a series from the list value, that is here creating a series from the list value, then series, that is sorted series. So you can see that is sorted element 10, then 12, then 24, and the last is 93 in ascending order. Then integer data type, then two print statements are there. So that is print statement. Then the first is giving q2, second is giving q1, third is giving q3, and the last is giving 100. Then that is the variance, and that is the standard deviation. So in this case no need to write lengthy code to find the variation or standard deviation. It is very simple. Simply you need to use the function to find the variance and standard deviation.